Okay, I have a Abus 8345 with a Schlage Everest Keyway in it. This is the bitting on the key. I received this from JD. The lock does work. It is a key retaining lock. Okay, it is locked. So let's open it up and see what kind of pins are in it. Okay, let's use the top of the keyway as usual. We're going to use this pick. Let's go to the back of the lock. Okay, a little bit on pin 6, felt like it was a serrated pin. Pin 5 feels like it's serrated. A little bit on pin 3. Let's go to the back again. Okay, a little bit on pin 1, gives a little bit of a false set. Getting some feedback on pin 1. Okay, let's go to the back again. Okay, here's some more on pin 1. Okay, some on pin 5, feels like a spool. Okay, that's pin 5. A little bit more on pin 1. Get some feedback off of pin 1 still. See if we can get it to set. This is a hard pin to set on this Abus Schlage Keyway. Okay, let's go to the back of the lock. Okay, I think pin 6 and pin 5 is set. Okay, we still got pin 1 that we trying to set. Okay, and there it is, open. Okay, let's look at the pins on this Abus that I received from JD. Okay, see if we can, I forgot what I want to do, but let's see if we can do it anyway. Okay, we got a clip we got to take off. Okay, there's the clip off. And we got a pin spring loaded, holds it in. Oops, we didn't get it slid out right. Let's see if we can okay, one of our pin 6 and spring come out. Okay, let's see if we can just do it this way then. Okay, there's pin 5. There's another spring. Pin 4. Okay, this is looks like a serrated pin, a spool. And that's another spool. And looks like another spool. And looks like another spool. Okay, we'll look at those pins in a moment. JD did not do anything to the Bible, so that's nothing changed there. Okay, we dropped a pin out. There it is. Okay, let's look at the pins. Okay, all the pins are in the plug. They are all working. Okay, pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, pin 6. The plug has not had any threading or counter milling. It's all standard, looks like. Okay, let's take a closer look at the pins. Okay, the first 3 are all spools. A little bit long spool on 1 and 2, and 3 is a little short spool. All these key pins are just standard key pins, no threading. The last 3 is a short spool, a little bit longer spool, and looks like a serrated pin. Okay, that's what we have in this Schlage Abus 83 45 lock. Okay, JD, I appreciate you sending this lock to me. I thank you for it. And if anyone has any questions about this lock, please feel free to ask. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And thank you very much. I appreciate it.